and he remained, but now somebody is interested, so we have to test him with the cats. And as you can see, he's very relaxed and no stress, no aggressivity. Haide, mama, Isamu, haide, haide. Ia uite pe Pepino, ia uite pe Pepino. He's more curious because of the environment. We told everybody that this test is not something like a guarantee, that they have to take care also at home to teach their dogs to respect the cats and other animals which they have. The mama. Pepino is a friendly one, and because he has this nose problem, till now nobody wanted him.
We had it since he was a kitten.
Yes, we had him as a kitten. Ia uite mama, ia uite Isamu, ia uite mama pisica, mama. Ia uite mama Isamu. Haide mama, haide cu pisicuța, mama. Aoleu, mama, și tu.
Gata, poți să închid că este destul de complet.